see my screen just now?
Yes.
I am sharing. So once again, a very simple, what we can say, question about the volume of cylinder. So we are talking about the solid geometry this time. So it's a very simple one and short lesson. So because there are so many problems, so last time what we were doing from the book, so I was just what we can say letting these problems to be in the future, that we must know each and everything about these solid geometrical figures, then we'll solve these. So this is a series of the presentations on the solid geometrical figures. So first I have selected the volume of cylinder. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, okay. Now let's see. So the problem solving is the first I must display the question. Let's see this one. So please read this question.
Okay. If the base circumference of a cylinder is 88 centimeters and the height is 12, what is the volume of the cylinder?
Okay, so we have all these five options. So before clicking any option, we will have to make some calculation, and then we will get the volume of the cylinder. So only the two informations are given. One is the circumference of a cylinder, and the second information is about the height, that is 12 centimeter. So in this way, definitely we'll have to do some calculation, and we will reach to the answer. But this systematic way that how we'll have to tackle this problem. So there are few slides, and those slides will clearly describe the whole method. So we are not looking for the solution only, but we are just going to find out the ways and means to tackle these type of the problems. So whenever there is a problem, there is a question about the cylinder whatsoever its dimensions, we will have to calculate. So definitely you will have to recall all these slides, all these things. So that's why I am just tackling this problem right from starting from the zero. So let's see what's going on over here. So then step one. So actually I have divided this problem into two steps. The first is that whenever you are looking for anything, that's answer is 2 plus 2. So you will have to recall the right formula. So what we'll have to
Okay.
do just now, that recap of formulas for cylinder. So we will have to select the best one, the suitable, the right one to solve this problem. So now let's see. Okay. Uh, Once again, formula recap: right cylinder, base in circumference, curved total surface area, and there are so many other things. But anyhow, what we'll have to do, look at this. So when we are looking this diagram, so we are clearly the circumference, base circumference is shown over here, and curved total surface area, this is the curved area all around that cylinder, and the volume, so the space available inside this cylinder. Are you getting this?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now let's see. So if this information, this diagram is in front of you, so we can say the first thing is base circumference, that is 2 pi r. The reason is this, that this is the base, it's just like a circle looking,
Okay.
and we can see its view from the upper side, from the top, that it is a complete circle. If the radius is given, so we can find the base circumference by 2 pi r. Curved, curved surface area, this area all around that. So that can be calculated by 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. H is the height, r is the radius. So we can calculate the surface area. And these are the two basic calculations. The third one is total surface area. What I mean to say, this is the curved surface area and total surface area all around that, including the top and the bottom. So what we'll have to do, we will have to just the twice of the area of these two circles. So adding the area of two circles, one is as a lid and the second is as a bottom. So the curved surface area 2 pi r plus the area of the two circular regions, what I mean to say the top and the bottom. So plus
Okay.
that will be the total surface area. So the last thing is that is the volume, pi r square h. So if you're looking for the space inside that cylinder, what we'll have to do, that pi r square, definitely that is the area of the base, circular area, and the height. So whenever you are looking for the space, either you will have to increase the height or you will have to increase the base area. That is a circular form. So I'm sure that you can also recall these formulas. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah, I remember.
So somewhere you will have come across these type of the formulas about any solid geometrical figure. So this time we are talking about that. But after showing all these formulas, the basic reason is that whatsoever the problem is, that problem may not come in the test, but they can ask about anything out of these fours. They may ask about the radius, the height, the basic circumference, the base circumference, curved area, and total surface area. And this time they are asking about the volume. So that's why all the formulas are written and we can make many more. We can calculate anything else by using these formulas. So that's why it's a complete topic about the circular cylinder. So I am sure that you will get through all these type of the problems when you will see in your real test. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see. So now each and everything is written over here. What we'll have to do, we'll have to make use of the given data. So let's see what is that. So the step 2, compute radius from base circumference, calculate volume. So this is the real, what I mean to say, that we'll have to do some magic to get the required answer. What I mean to say that we will have to select one, the right one from the 5 possible answers. So 4 are absolutely wrong and one is absolutely right. So what we'll have to do, we will have to do some real magic. That is, the magic in mathematics is that you will have to solve each and everything according to the mathematical rules, using all those what we can say that information which is given in the question. Now let's see how can we do that. That step 2 is the key step to the solution. So uh, if you can read.
All right. Step one, compute radius from base circumference.
Oh, yes. So once again, at the top, what is the volume of the cylinder? Base circumference is given, 88 centimeter. And the height of the cylinder also given, that is 12 centimeter. So what we are looking for, the step 1, we will have to be, what I mean to say, that we must have the radius, the value of r, because it's clearly written over there that without the radius of this circular cylinder, we cannot calculate anything. So step 1 is very important, the key step to the solution once again. So base circumference is given, and from the base circumference, we will have to calculate the radius. Now let's see. That is, what is that? If you read, can you read this one? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Hello? Are you not with me? So anyhow, if you have been disconnected, your voice is not coming. Is there any problem? Okay. So I think so. For a while you are away from that. So once again, let me check if you are available. So I must be once again inviting you to rejoin. Okay. So the first step is just to calculate what I mean to say the area. Let me check. So you are here. I'm inviting you once again. So the hello, where are you? So you are somewhere. I mean to say I am not hearing you. Your voice is not coming. So you are online. So it's an invitation. Uh, anyhow, so the base circumference is 2 pi r, which is given 88 centimeters. So from here, that is the 2 and pi, the value of pi is 22 upon 7, and r we are looking for that, so r is as it is, and that is 88 centimeters. Let me check you. Where are you? Why you are not being connected with me? So anyhow, we will continue. I will send you the recording. Anyhow, that's 2 into 22 or 7 r. So in this way, the r is equal to all the things are going on the right hand side. So this will be 7 multiplying with 88. We have just like that. This 2 that will be over here dividing, and this 22 is also dividing this. So after doing some calculation, we will be, what I mean to say, we will get the value of the radius, that is 14 centimeters. So it's a very simple calculation. Let me check you once again if you are available, but you are not joining. So you are available, but you are not joining. What's wrong with that? Anyhow, we will continue this. So the step 2, second step is compute volume. The R is 14 now. We have just calculated the radius, that is 14 centimeter, and the height 12 centimeter, that was given over here in the problem. So volume of the cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. As I have told you earlier, that there are two, what I mean to say, there is a circular area, pi r square, and the height of the right circular cylinder. So it's an appropriate formula to put the values and to get the answer. Anyhow, look at this. So this table, volume is equal to, the pi is 22 over 7 and multiplied by the volume square, radius square, that is 14 centimeters square over here, and height is also given. So the vertical height of this cylinder is given, that is 12 centimeters. We are just putting the values. The next is that after doing some steps, so mathematical calculation, we will get the volume 7,392 cubic centimeter. So volume is in cubic centimeter. So what we should say, that this is the volume cubic centimeter. So from here, from the given options, correct answer is choice E. So that was about that. So if you're looking for set preparation, so visit our YouTube channel Skyox Academy. You can get a lot of number of the videos about this test, the solution, the techniques, tips and tricks how to solve the question, how to take your exam. You can also send your comments and feedback to us at this email address. So I think it's you can also call us. It's a WhatsApp number. You can text your message, you can send your queries, and you can ask many more things. So this is all about today's lesson. So that's why we are just going to stop that. What I mean to say, it's a time to say Allah Hafiz. Anyhow, I will send you the recording of this lesson. Anyhow, Allah Hafiz.